Right. So speaking of alternative platforms, I started writing on Substack. So I don't know, dude. Like, I started posting articles on my website, right? And we already have the newsletter, so I'm going to try and merge that with the Substack. But basically, you can go and read stuff on Substack. That's it. I'm just typing articles there. I'm writing articles there and typing out stuff that we're doing here. So definitely go check it out. And the first article that I already published, it's let me show it to you right here. So this is it, all right? It's called Bipartisan Murder. And I go into the history of the conflict in Syria, the war on Syria a little bit, right? Showing how the U.S. planned this out, and they're working with Al-Qaeda, and they just straight up brag about it. Like, it's not even a secret, right? They don't care. They just don't give a crap. And then, of course, going into, Biden bombing Syria. And, of course, before that, just here I talk about the sanctions and oil. And then, of course, here, I talk about what Biden did bombing Syria and, the legal rationale behind it, or illegal rationale, going into the authorization for the use of military force, the war powers resolution, all this stuff. And yes, so definitely go check it out. The URL is richardmedhurst.substack.com. Substack, that's SUBSTACK. Okay. And you can subscribe. And I think there's a paid model. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure this thing out, man. I really, like, for me, it's more about trying to also do a written format. So that's it. And again, it's an alternative platform. So that's really good. And yeah, you can also subscribe there, I think. But if you're supporting the show on Patreon, whatever, man, it's all appreciated. Even if you share the links, I don't care. I'm appreciated nonetheless. I'm really grateful. So it's richardmedhurst.substack.com. That's the URL. There you go. Just wanted to give you a heads up about that.